Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm basically going to be getting into something where I'm discussing the Harvest Moon Dunk Low. I finally had gotten a pair in hand. I was able to find someone with one for a fairly good deal that was in my size. It's a size 10.5W. I can wear a 10.5W or 11W, really any size above that. I mean, I'm able to wear, but obviously I wouldn't fit something like a 12W. That would just be too big. But I was able to find a pair that works out for me, and yeah, basically we got the Harvest Moon Dunk Low. I'm going to give my opinion, unboxing, review, all of that, just so you kind of know what I think about this shoe. And I will of course be trying it on in this video since it's going to be for my collection. Oh, and really quick, if you haven't been here before, make sure you subscribe and like goal, let's just say 300 likes. We'll see if we can hit that. I'd really appreciate it since it's kind of hard for me to find these, but we got them. I know people over in Europe are having no problem finding these. Lucky. But with this one, I'm honestly just going to be giving an honest opinion of how I think these look, you know, how comfortable they are, stuff like that. And just first kind of impression on these, I just got to be honest, the colorway is so clean. I mean, it's nothing crazy, obviously. It's just white and then one other color, but look at that. In hand, this is like kind of like a, I don't know, it's like a coffee colorway, not like coffee, but you know what I mean. It's kind of like a lighter brown. I mean, it's the Harvest Moon colorway as they described it, but it's really nice. Killed that right there. They didn't make this the same color as this, which I really like. They left this as white, so it's its own individual color. And y'all can see again, the toe box is white too. I mean, this is one of those pairs that you know is just going to go up based off its looks. It's limited in size range too. It's not men's sizing, so when you kind of know these different factors, it's not going to be something that you know, is going to be more in the, well, it is going to be something that's more in the future, but it's not something that's going to stay at the same price for a long time. I know this one still has some raffles overseas and a couple other places to drop at, but it hasn't affected the price this much. If I'm right, I think 10.5s are still at like $270 to $290. They honestly might be at $300 at this point, but that's just what I know. It's between like $270 and $290. Could be lower, could be higher, but again, I haven't checked on this one in the last couple days. I've just been waiting on this pair because I've really been anticipating this video, really been anticipating it for the personal collection. Another thing too, look at that too. This is also really clean. The tag is just kind of that white and then Harvest Moon colorway. On the inside, you got that also. Like, the shoe just matches all around. It's a summer theme too. Like, heading into this springtime here down in Charleston, heading into the summertime, like, I couldn't ask for maybe a better pair. I mean, of course it is a Dunk Low, so, you know, I'm finally getting on the dunk hype. Y'all can see I got a couple in my collection now. I am finally on it, but yeah, just looking into this one, I'm very happy to have this one and actually find my size for a decent price. I could have just bought it off StockX and waited, but shout out Resell 801. That's the guy I got it off, so I really appreciate you, bro. Great deal. And honestly, this is going to be a pair I'm adding to the collection, wearing, beating up, and I will try this one on in the future. Probably will wear this one out today, honestly, because why not? It's a sunny, nice day. It's kind of cold, but this is just, look at this. I'll give y'all, I'll be quiet for a second just so y'all can see the details up close. There y'all go to the sole. But look at that. I mean, the colorway, this is something, this is really nice. When this happens with Nike sneakers, this is a great situation where the colorway up by the toe box right here, like this colorway, when it's the same as this, I always mention it when it's same or very close, that's a very good thing. That's a nice thing. And you can tell on the shoe, they were, you know, paying attention to details a little bit. Obviously, most dunks aren't crazy on quality control, but this pair is looking pretty nice. And obviously I'll get on to the try-on aspect of it in a second, but these are going to be pairs that are 400 plus in the future. I have no doubt about that. In smaller sizes, of course, will eventually follow. Just go look at the laser oranges, for example. This is the one I can probably compare it to most. I feel like this will have a very similar performance to it, just because once people get in hand, notice how good this one looks. It's not very like big on stock either, like it's been fairly limited, so kind of understanding that not everybody can just get access to this one. Yeah, just give it time. Wait, I promise you in a year, I'm going to be very glad that I added this one to the collection instead of just holding on to it. Well, I could still add it to the collection if I had held on to it because I'd still have it. But these are just, I know there's going to be more. This colorway hidden. So let's get on to the try-on aspect, showing y'all what these look like on foot, all that. And overall, Nike, you did your thing. Limited on stock. Glad I got a pair. I paid for resale. Well, I paid resale on them. But yeah, just everything matches. Really coordinated. Good Dunk Low. And that's a really good summer colorway in my opinion. And I know a lot of people call Dunk Lows uncomfortable. I don't disagree. When you're just getting them and starting out, like just starting to wear them, they're kind of stiff. But don't forget, these were originally meant as skating shoes. So they're not necessarily going to be, like, you know, they're meant to be a little bit tough. Well, they aren't SBs, but you know what I mean, dunks. Shout out my beautiful Nike Cortez. beat these up to death, but these are the most durable shoes ever. Always wearing these, you can ask anybody. But looking at these on foot, I mean, this colorway is extremely clean. I'm really liking how this one's hitting, honestly, on foot. And honestly, during the summertime, this is going to be something I'm going to want to be rocking. It's not too uncomfortable as well. I mean, getting a size 10.5 W was probably the right choice for me because I'm honestly a size 9, 9.5. These fit pretty snug. It's like right there, so I would say these are pretty good. And yeah, you can see I'm liking the white laces on them too. Like they didn't, decide to make the laces the same colorway as the Dunk. They kept it just white and then one other colorway, and then obviously keeping the sole that nice Harvest Moon colorway as well, kind of that lighter brown. This is just a great choice of shoe and something I really think is going to be something I'll keep in the collection for a while. Hopefully I will keep it durable too. Most Dunk Lows are durable, so hopefully these will be, up to standard. Again, the shoe's nothing crazy, but I like simple shoes. So for me, I would probably give this one like an 8, maybe 8.5 out of 10. Definitely something heading into spring and summer. If they stock this one just right, give people enough pairs to wear, it's good. But overall, as a whole, in a year, this one's not going to be the same price, I'll bet you. But yeah, that's it. That's my honest review. These are in the collection. This is a very nice pair of shoes, so we're going to be rocking these for sure. And yeah, that's everything, so subscribe and like, it's all down below. I'm not gonna try and make this outro too awkward. I got a few things to do today. It's a chill Saturday relatively, but my mom's coming in town, so I gotta get all ready, get all formal, all that. And yeah, that's just how it is. So I'm Tristan. Catch everything down in the description. Like was like 300. I just mentioned it now, but leave your comments, any questions, your opinions on the shoe if you have a pair. I know my people in Germany, I had someone DM me that was from Germany. They're like, yeah, I copped 20 pairs of these at retail, and I just want to let you know I am completely and entirely jealous of you. So yeah, I'll be honest. But I'll catch you on the next one. Good work to my people out there grinding, and I'll see you on the next one tomorrow. Maybe I'll post tomorrow. We'll see. Peace.
All the time. If you tweaking, then you probably want something. Ay, if you tweaking, then you probably on something. Yeah, I ain't down for your loving. Yeah, in the air, put your hands. You got it fucked up. I ain't even tweaking. Girl, I like your best friend. We can have a threesome. For real, I need all the bad bitches down on the floor. I need all the bad bitches just to do more.